At the ISD level, I work to support the needs of all of our school districts, really anything that pertains to belonging or student engagement that could be impacted by behavioral health challenges. I really enjoy working with kids or working in a field where my work impacts kids, specifically kids that have specialized needs, whether that's special education students or students that are English language learners or need different levels of support that maybe larger districts have more resources for. Love that I'm able to look at various aspects of school mental health to support those needs. I have a lot of meetings, whether it's with people or organizations that I collaborate with in my work or with administrators to talk about ways in which I can support the various aspects of school mental health, collaborating with other ISDs around systems and setting up systems to support mental health needs of students, whether it's meeting with school counselors to find out what needs they may have from the ISD and how we can connect them with resources or trainings or things like that. It's always nice to find new ways of doing things, and it's always great when new ideas are presented, and that's always rewarding. We are in a rural area where there aren't a lot of students that come from other backgrounds, such as English language learners, significant Native American population. So there are some specialized needs that are there. We created some social emotional learning kits for our English language learners that have feelings charts that are in English and Spanish, affirmation cards in English and Spanish, and some books for a library that are in English and Spanish. When it comes to dealing with behaviors, kids that come from other countries just as easily can have behavioral challenges, and when you add that extra layer of the language barrier, it's nice to be able to provide a resource for students to be able to try to express their emotions in a way that school-based mental health provider or therapist can understand. It's never too late, and if someone wants to make a career change mid-career, it's a great time to go into special education, use your life experiences. And I just think there's such a reward when you're working with kids who have special needs, that for them to know that there are people out there that care about them and want to see them succeed no matter what challenges they may have.